Something very improper, which is done by a lot of judges in maintenance cases filed by wives against husbands, is that on the first date, before any documentations are exchanged, the husband has no idea. He's just received a summons and he says, I am duty bound by the court, I should go and appear before the court. So the husband appears before the court along with his lawyer, sometimes without a lawyer, says, let me go and find out what's going on. And criminal case is a different story. Things take time. But in a maintenance case, I've seen it happen so many times. The judge says, tell me, what is your income? And the husband says, my lord, my income, and without any preparation, my lord, my income is whatever, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 5 lakhs a month. He doesn't even think to lie at that moment. And the judge immediately says, husband says, his income is so and so in the order sheet. I am fixing per month right now 30,000, 50,000 as interim maintenance. It is so improper because maintenance also has to factor in, a maintenance order has to factor in income assets of the wife, which I can guarantee you in this situation, till this stage on the first hearing after receiving summons, the wife has not disclosed. But just by saying, oh, you are earning so much, then I'm going to fix this much as maintenance, because the judge knows that following process is going to take a lot of time. Now in this situation, even if the lawyer intervenes and says, my lord, we need time, the judge reprimands the lawyer, tells them stand on the side, let me ask the husband. And this is kind of borderline pushing and bullying that a lot of judges do, which I find is highly improper. To counter this, you must not go on the first date of hearing. You must have your advocate represent you, because when the judge asks the advocate can correctly, justifiably so say, my lord, I need time to take instructions from my client, but before that we need to go through the income affidavit of the wife as well. And if she has not disclosed her bank statements, her property details, her income, her assets, everything top to bottom as per the judgment of Rajneesh versus Neha of the Supreme Court, how can we come to any conclusion? And at that moment, the judge cannot be arm twisting the advocate. But when I say this, I have to also put in this caveat. A lot of times people think, oh, it's the first date, so let us not go. There, again, the judge can say, we are going to assume what the wife is saying to be true and we are going to fix maintenance. There are 1,000 different ways things can go wrong when nobody appears in the court, and there is one way things can go wrong when the person themselves, the husband themselves, appear. So the correct solution is, you should not miss any date, but you should not be going yourself as party in person on the first date. Your lawyer should be going to take the documents, apprise the court that the wife has not filed her income affidavits, all her bank statements, her ITR, everything. This is the way to ensure that your wife is not able to get away with an unjustified maintenance order.